Check, mic check. Looks good. All dialed in, baby. All right, good evening, esteemed viewers and passionate healthcare advocates. I'm Dr. Joaquin Acosta, your guide and companion on this transformative journey through the realm of healthcare innovation and enlightenment. As the CEO of PharmTrue and the dedicated host of the Know Your Pharmacist Livestream, I welcome you to an evening where we bridge the gap between advanced medical discoveries and the everyday lives of those they impact. Tonight, our exploration takes us deep into the heart of groundbreaking medical advancements. We stand at the cusp of a new era with diabetes breakthrough that redefines our approach to insulin production, a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and scientific dedication. This is not just a leap in medical science, it's a beacon of hope for millions. We then shift our focus to the marvels of technology with Harvard's pioneering robotic exoskeleton, a beacon of light for individuals grappling with Parkinson's disease. Here, we witness the harmonious blend of technology and healthcare, offering a newfound independence and resilience to those affected. Our journey also includes a critical examination of the pharmaceutical industry. We delve into the intricacies of prescription drug pricing, peeling back the layers to reveal the truth behind overcharges and their impact on our community's health and well-being. In our Herbal Wellness Corner, we'll navigate the complex landscape of cannabis scheduling, examining its implications from legal, medical, and societal perspectives. This is a conversation not just about policy, but about our evolving understanding of health, wellness, and natural remedies. Community engagement takes center stage as we shine a spotlight on the NMDOG, the NMDOG initiative, a heartwarming endeavor to ensure our furry friends are safe and warm during these cold winter months. It's a reminder of the compassion and empathy that form the foundation of our healthcare ethos. We conclude with our Men's Health Minute, offering vital insights into proactive health strategies and the importance of regular health screenings. Join me, Dr. Joaquin Acosta, as we embark on this enlightening adventure. Together, we'll unravel the complexities of healthcare, foster a community of well-informed individuals, and pave the way towards a healthier, more empowered society. Your engagement and curiosity are the driving forces behind this journey. Let's learn, grow, and transform the world of healthcare together. Welcome to the Know Your Pharmacist Livestream. Let the enlightenment begin. So, right where we're starting on Pharmacist Frontline segment, showing you guys this pretty cool little study. This came out in the Journal of Signal Transduction and Targeted Therapy. Well, EZH2 inhibitors, that's a drug mechanism of action. Two different types of drugs in this study, EZH2 inhibitors, promote beta-like cell regeneration in young and adult type 1 diabetes donors. So, again, this study was conducted with dead people. However, the cool part about it is basically it's showing the regeneration of these beta cells, which are lacking in our type 1 diabetics, right? So, reading a little bit from the abstract here to give you guys a little bit more of an idea. Beta cells are a type of endocrine cells found in the pancreatic islets that synthesize, store, and release insulin. In type 1 diabetes, T cells of the immune system selectively destroy the insulin-producing beta cells. Destruction of these cells leads to a lifelong dependence on exogenous insulin administration for survival. Consequently, there is an urgent need to identify novel therapies that stimulate beta cell growth and induce beta cell function. We and others have shown that pancreatic ductal progenitor cells are a promising source for regenerating beta cells for type 1 diabetics owing to their inherent differentiating capacity. Default transcriptional suppression is refractory to exocrine reaction and tightly controls the regenerative potential by the EZH2 methyl transferase. In the present study, we'll give you guys a little bit of the English version of this here in just a second. In the present study, we show that the transient stimulation of exocrine cells derived from juvenile adult type 1 diabetes donors to the FDA-approved EZH2 inhibitors of the GSK126 and the TAZ or tazemetostat influence a phenotypic shift towards beta-like cell identity. Pretty cool, huh? The transition from a repressed permissive chromatin states are dependent on bivalent H3, K27, ME3, and H3, K4, ME3 chromatin modification. Targeting EZH2 is fundamental to beta cell regenerative potential. Reprogrammed pancreatic ductal cells exhibit insulin production and secretion in response to physiological glucose challenge ex vivo. These preclinical studies underscore the potential of small molecule inhibitors as novel modulators of ductal progenitor differentiation and a promising new approach for the restoration of beta cell-like function. So, what does that mean? How cool is this, right? Like, looking at this, showing you guys right here a little bit of these diagrams of the study. So this is where that drug works, the EZH2 inhibitors, and that's where that beta cell, in type 1 diabetics is not working well. But after, right, the EZH2 inhibitors has its function right in here, you start looking at the insulin secretion coming out of these beta cells. And that's as a side effect kind of that was studied from these two different cancer medications, right? But looking at the whole thing, guys, I think, it kind of begs a lot of questions, right? FDA approved drugs for regenerating insulin production, 48 hours, FDA approved drugs for cancer. But is this going to, are we going to have a cure for type 1 diabetes is really the ultimate question that comes there. And maybe someday we're getting closer to that. Get those cells to wake themselves back up. Stuff. So let's make it to the next story here. Our tech talk, talking about Harvard's robotic exoskeleton. It can improve walking and decrease falls in people with Parkinson's. YouTube, I'm cutting you guys off.